Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO D5 watch and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this device. First thing we need to do is to open the main menu. To do it, press and hold the middle button. Once the menu appears on the screen, you can use the upper and lower button to scroll through it. Select the option called General, and once you select it, press the middle button to enter. Now scroll through the list of options again, look for the option called Device Settings, and once you select it, press the middle button. Here select the language option, press the middle button, and now you should see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list, look for the language you would like to use on your watch, and once you find it and select it, press the middle button to confirm, and the language should be applied. Let me change it back to English quickly, like this. And once you're done changing the language, you can press and hold the middle button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the language on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.